not, well, be prepared. Because we are going to be drawing the one and only Scar from the Lion King. I am so glad you guys are so excited. And now, there we go. Now, to make sure we can draw him, let's make sure we have everything we need. So, do we have pencils?
Yep.
Do we have papers?
Yes.
Do we have the board?
Yes.
All right, something important about those clipboards. Please, 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 once you exit today, leave them where you found them. We want to make sure that the next class has the same experience as you. And if you need anything now or throughout the class, paper, pencils, you get frustrated and want crayons and coloring pages. Or your kids want crayons and coloring pages. Or if you need to use the restroom or exit to the outside cold world, anything of the sorts, raise your hands up high like you just don't care. And one of my lovely friends will help you out. Now, let's go ahead and get inspired. And while I would love to bring in a lion here to study from, I do know that some of you might have cat allergies. So that is the only reason why we didn't bring a lion here. Yeah, I'm sorry. But you can look at the board, there's a safari. So we're going to do the next best thing and actually give you a different type of inspiration. You see here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, we really care about the animals. And one of the ways that we do so is through the Disney Conservation Fund. So we're going to show you a little bit about that. So, are we ready to be inspired?
Yep.
Okay, look up the screen.
Make us laugh and make us cry. They make us think.
She's beautiful.
Inspire us. And teach us. Most importantly, they connect us to the world of nature. And right now, more than ever, they need us.
Through our efforts here at the park at Disney's Animal Kingdom to share the stories and our efforts in the field to truly make a difference scientifically in the community and with the animals themselves, our end goal is that we truly make a difference for those animals in the wild.
The Disney Conservation Fund is proud to celebrate and protect the wildlife we share our planet with. From our experiences and dedication to animal care, to our work to save wildlife and our support of conservation heroes, the Disney Conservation Fund is committed to ensuring a world where wildlife thrives and inspiring all of us to treasure and protect the magic of nature.
We blend the love of nature and a respect for animals that Walt Disney always had himself with making dreams come true, getting people excited about nature and about being out in the wild.
Every single one of us matters and has a role to play. Every single day we make a difference. Let's learn to live in peace and harmony between nations, cultures, religions, and between us and Mother Nature.
At Disney, we're not just talking about helping the animals that share our planet, we're doing something about it. Join us by taking action in your own community to save wildlife, inspire action, and protect the planet.